Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a website using Strikingly. First, navigate to Strikingly's website and sign up for a free account. This initial step is quick and easy, requiring just your email. Once registered, you'll be prompted to choose a template. Browse through the diverse collection, considering your website's purpose. Pick one that aligns with your vision, as this forms the foundation of your site. Now that you have a template, it's time to make it your own. Strikingly's editor is incredibly user-friendly. Simply click on any element to edit text, swap images, or embed videos. You can also customize colors and fonts to reflect your brand's personality. Don't forget to explore adding new sections, such as a portfolio, a blog, or even an e-commerce store, to enhance functionality. With your design taking shape, let's enrich your site with content and features. Easily add your own text, high-quality images, and engaging videos. Consider integrating social media links to expand your reach. Strikingly automatically ensures your site looks great on all devices, from desktops to smartphones. For a more professional touch, you can connect a custom domain name, giving your website a unique address. You're almost ready to share your creation with the world. Before publishing, take a moment to thoroughly review every page and ensure all your content is perfect. Check for any typos or broken links. Once you're confident, simply hit the Publish button. Your new website will be live instantly. Don't forget to share your site's link on social media and with your contacts to announce its launch.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.